Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make your own nature box. This was one of my favorite projects to do with my family every summer. We would travel across the country to Seattle, and once a week during every summer we would go to our family cabin by Mount Baker. My mom showed me how to make this box, and now I'm going to show you how to do it too. So, I went outside and I found lots of nature. The first bit of nature I'm going to use are these pine needles. Now the most important thing that you need to bring with you when we make our nature box today is your imagination. So I'm going to start by picking these bits of pine straw and I'm going to make the forest floor. Doesn't this look a bit like grass? So I'm going to pick it off with my fingers just like this. After I make my forest floor, I think I'm going to make a walking path with pebbles I found. I think we need a little more, so I'm going to use some more pine straw I found. All right, let's spread out our green pine needles. Next, I'm going to use these colorful pebbles I found to make a little walking trail. Let's see. Let's have our trail start over here. We're going to make a long line. Look at all these beautiful colors in these rocks. Orange and red, brown and black. I think my walking trail is going to lead to some mountains and a lake. Where will yours take you? Okay, now I found these big, beautiful rocks, and these are going to be my mountains. I have one mountain here, another mountain here, and now I have some smaller mountains that will go next to it. There we go. Now I'm going to make our walking path go this way. and it's going to lead us to a lake. And today I'm going to create a lake with this beautiful blue bark and moss. So I'm going to use my imagination and pretend that this is a lake. Have you ever been swimming in a lake? There we go. Now, our forest needs some trees. So I found these beautiful bits of a branch outside. And look, they'll stand up just like trees in a forest. Now I think we could use some flowers. Let's plant our flowers right by the lake. Next, I think we should make a campfire. So I'm going to use this stick, and I'm going to break it into small pieces, and I'm going to build a campfire by our lake. So after we go swimming, maybe we could toast marshmallows by the campfire. There we go. Next, I think we need to have a little barrier around our campfire. So I'm going to use this pine cone. Be very gentle because pine cones are prickly. Let's put it around the edge of the campfire. And that will make our fire pit. Now our campfire is ready. Let's see. How about we add another beautiful tree? Look how tall this one is. Let's put it in the mountains. Let's add another little tree right here. I think we need a couple more trees here, don't you? I found this large branch outside on the ground. Let's turn it into little trees. Let's put one here. And another here. Maybe we can put them around the edges of our nature box. If you have any trouble having anything stand up, you can always use your tape for help. Let's make this whole wall full of trees. Let's put one over here and another here. So we'll have some shade by our campfire. Now we have a beautiful nature box. I hope you had fun making with me today. Have a great day, friends.